In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Monday.com board with Salesforce, allowing for dynamic integration between these two powerful platforms. By linking Monday.com with Salesforce, you create a streamlined workflow that enhances productivity and ensures data synchronization across your teams. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you not only understand each action, but also the purpose behind it. First, let's begin by opening your Monday.com board. Ensure that you've navigated to the specific board you wish to connect with Salesforce. This is crucial as each board could potentially serve different functions within your organization, and you want to ensure that the correct workflows are being integrated. Next, head over to the Integration Center. You can do this by simply locating and clicking the Integrate button, conveniently found at the top right corner of your board interface. This is where the magic happens, as it opens up a plethora of integration opportunities for you. Once you have the Integration Center open, use the search feature to find the Salesforce integration. Simply type Salesforce into the search bar, and you should see the integration option provided directly by Monday.com. This ensures compatibility and smooth operation between the two platforms. Now, it's time to select a pre-built automation recipe. These recipes serve as templates that outline how the integration will function. For instance, you might choose a recipe like when a Salesforce lead is created, create an item in Monday.com, or perhaps when an item is created in Monday.com, create a Salesforce contact. By clicking Add to Board, you apply your chosen recipe to your board, setting the stage for your preferred synchronized actions. The next critical step involves connecting your Salesforce account. Here you'll click Connect in the Integration Setup window. This prompts you to log into your Salesforce account. During this process, you'll need to authorize Monday.com to access your Salesforce data. This step is essential to enable communication between the platforms. With authorization complete, you can now configure your integration settings. This involves selecting the Salesforce objects you wish to sync, such as leads, contacts, or opportunities. Additionally, you'll need to thoughtfully map fields between Monday.com columns and Salesforce fields. This mapping ensures that data flows accurately from one platform to the other and is critical for maintaining data integrity. Finally, activate your integration by saving the setup. Once saved, your integration will be live, automatically syncing items between Monday.com and Salesforce based on your selected recipe. This automation can greatly increase efficiency, minimize manual data entry, and help your teams focus on what they do best. And there you have it, a complete guide to connecting Monday.com with Salesforce, creating a powerful bridge that enhances your workflows and ensures seamless data integration. Keep exploring more integrations to continually optimize your project management and CRM systems.